Hey everybody, welcome back to Fusioneers. Today we're going to be making a circular tray. Let's get started. For everyone that's new to the channel, these PDF files are available on our Skool community, so check that out down in the description. You can go ahead and measure this if you want to practice figuring out the sizes of things. So this is to scale, you just use a micrometer, and this is just the end result that we're looking for. And this is a 10:1 scale, so remember whatever you measure here, you need to divide by 10. And these units are in millimeters for the most part. So pause the video now and make those measurements if you want to. And so this is roughly what you should have gotten with the measurements. It's not terribly important, but this is what we'll be making today. So, all right, let's go ahead and save, Command S, and we're going to call this catch or circular catch all tray. All right, now it's saved over here. I'm just going to go ahead and exit this out so I have a little bit better view. Okay, and we're going to click C for circle, and your origin should come up. And now we're going to make our center diameter circle. And then we're going to click, actually let's go ahead and make the other circle here. So click C again, and we're going to make this a little bit shorter. So this is going to be our wall here. And then let's dimension this. This is 100 millimeters. And then we'll just say this one is 3 millimeters from the edge to give us our 3 millimeter wall. You could also do this with an offset if that makes more sense to you. And then click Finish Sketch. And now I'm just going to go look back here to see our thickness. So we made this 100 millimeters, and then our inside was 94 millimeters. We just use the offset instead of typing that in. These are 3 millimeters, and then our total height is 30 millimeters, and then our bottom here is 3 millimeters tall. So the inside right here would be 27. All right, so let's extrude. Click E for extrude, and then we're going to select both of these. We're going to extrude up 3 millimeters, and click Enter. And then we have to come over here and then just turn our sketch back on, and now we can come and select here. And then click E for extrude, and then we're going to go up 30 millimeters. And then obviously right now it's cutting that away, so we need to go to the extrude menu over here and click join, and then click OK. And so now if we want to measure and make sure that our dimensions are right, you can click here on the bottom and then hold Command, and then you can click on the top. And then down here on the side, you can see it's 30 millimeters tall, which is what we want. And then the inside should be 27, which is what you see down here. Okay, and so the final thing that I have here on the kind of instructions is this 0.4 millimeter chamfer. And the reason I do that is it just makes the part look a little more professional. And it's really easy to do, and I do it in increments of typical 3D print height. So the most common height that I've seen is 0.2 millimeters, so it's just 2 layer heights chamfered over. So we can go ahead and click Modify, Chamfer, and then basically all these edges are chamfered. Might be hard to tell in the drawing, but 0.4. And then now we have our little catch-all tray. So you can, this is kind of like a bowl catch-all tray. You can make this, print it off, and put stuff in it, kind of have something handy. And obviously you can make different sizes as you see fit. In the next couple of videos, we're going to make this a little more complicated looking and put some finishing touches on it. So hopefully you'll get something out of it. Thanks for watching.